Hello, this is how it ends with Builderall. So I've stopped paying my ambassador account. So as you can see here, there's no more commissions. Before it was filled in with my past commissions. Now I don't see no more. Before stopping paying, I asked them, if I stop paying, will I be able to be still an affiliate? So here I ask, in December, they say yes, of course, you will still be an affiliate with less commission like a normal affiliate. You can see here, you can pause. But then, I see that I have no more things. So I contact, I say, okay, I've been told. Here I say, well, we cannot see it, but I say in December, I ask, they say yes, but now I cannot see. They reply saying, oh, must be a bug, refresh your browser. The same story always. Because when they look at it, they can see all my things. But me, I cannot see it on different browsers. So it's not a bug, it's on purpose. So they say blah blah blah, and in their screenshot you can see here. So you can see only from the 15 and then the 20. Someone has been paying since July 2020, and this one since about 6 months ago. And then suddenly they will stop paying because here you can see that I have nothing on hold. Usually it takes 5 days. So on the 15, there's nothing. I mean, look at here. Here, the 15th of April, there's nothing. Me, I stopped paying on the 13th of April. So this was the last recurring one. Okay, so they have been paying for a long time. And you see, so it stopped. I have nothing. The 15th here, it should be on the 15th of April. Oh yeah, stopped. So my account has been disabled for affiliate. And this is in contradiction to what I've been told before closing it. I mean, before stopping paying it, because I didn't close it. So you see, for the end of my about 6 years stories with Builderall, this is how it ends. Again, a bug or something bad. I don't know, don't care. So you see here I have available $48, $84, and you can request it only after 100. So it will never reach 100. I mean, I will talk to support because I don't care, but I will talk to them, and that's it. That's finished for Builderall. This is really such a bad ending of Builderall for the affiliate, which was the main focus. The tools were good, but the affiliate plan was what attracted me. The community, things like this. This has been really going bad since it has been sold by the owner and bought by new owners who have been betraying affiliate time and time again. And now this is a crappy affiliate program. Builderall, nobody can promote it. I mean, it is so bad. And think about the future. If you're still promoting it because you have kept, despite all the laws they have done to you, you have kept promoting it. But imagine 6 months, the next news, what will happen to you? They are not into affiliate marketing at all. Not good. Builderall, bad. Really bad. Bye bye.